Alright, let's go ahead and pull the fire alarm. Put the hex key down and land on the floor. Pull the fire alarm. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. As you can see, you can't push the fire alarm back up. With someone you pulled in the building, it will able to put it back up. So once again, you can't push it back up. When someone pulls in the building, it able to put it back up. So grab my hex key and reset the pull station. Too hard to find these keys. Okay, I got the key for it. Going to close all of the hex things ready. Alright, let's reset it. Thank you. And that will be it for the next video. Thank you guys for watching.